Think Power Solutions is the premier construction management and oversight services company with core values of safety, training, and technology that delivers our clients with the best service and products that they've come to expect from Think Power. We have a zero harm safety record since 2013 across the company, and this stellar safety record extends to AEP projects as well.
As a client manager for AEP, I am committed to ensure that the Think Power employees work safely and they understand what it takes to make sure the contractors working for AEP are also working safely. This safety culture starts at our new employee orientation and continues throughout their career with Think Power. This starts with a skills assessment to ensure they have the knowledge to make sure the crews are working safely, and helps us determine where we can provide training to them in the areas that they most need it. We have adopted the AEP concept of zero harm, and we agree that everyone should come home in as good or better shape than they left. We've also followed AEP's concept of reporting good catches, close calls, and near misses to help us determine where the next accident could occur.
My name is Carol Matheny, and I am a TCR in the Ohio Valley area, and I am proud to work for a company that cares so much about safety. We believe that 100% of accidents that occur on the job site are preventable. We have been trained to stop the job now when we see unsafe working habits and to do necessary coaching. Think Power Solutions have went above and beyond their training to ensure that not only do I go home safe every night to my family, but so does my crew. Safety, it's the most important tool on the job.
Been in this business for over 50 years, and one of the things that was really pleasantly pleasing and kind of amazing to me was the safety culture. Not just a safety program, but a safety culture that I saw being implemented and carried on when I came to AEP last July. And through this time that I've been with AEP, I've seen this culture catch on. I've seen it carry on and move about until a lot of the contractors are buying into it, and other TCRs are buying into it, and I see it catching on to where people even talk about having this same culture follow them to the house and in their work around the house, and they even be able to share it with some of their children and grandchildren, as I have. And I really find it to be a successful program, not in just catching what's wrong, but also in implementing on good catches and rewarding those good catches. And I see it bringing a real successful result into the line trade.
So in early 2020, Think Power Solutions reorganized our company, and we placed all of our client services into a single new department called Client Delivery. And this has really improved our collaboration across our utility clients, and we're doing a much better job now of sharing important information like best practices, near misses, and lessons learned. I also feel like one of our greatest strengths is our manager of health and safety, R.L. Grubbs. AEP does provide fantastic training to our employees that work on that system, but at the end of the day, they are our employees, so rather than rely entirely on the client training, RL's developed a wonderful set of supplemental programs to support those provided by AEP. 2020 has also provided a new challenge to our program in the form of the COVID-19 pandemic. And now we're tasked with continuing to provide great service to our clients while ensuring the safety of our employees in a completely different way. And early on in the crisis, the senior leadership team started holding daily online meetings to ensure that we were incorporating all the latest federal, state, local, and even client-provided guidelines into our daily work practices, and then that we were effectively communicating those out to the field.
My name is R.L. Grubbs, and I'm the safety person for Think Power Solutions. I've got about 55 years experience in the electrical utility industry as a lineman, a foreman, and about the last 40 years in safety. I have a degree in occupational safety and health. I'm an OSHA outreach trainer as well as a certified utility safety professional. Last year, Think Power Solutions had reached the decision that they had grown so much they needed a dedicated safety person. I joined the team, and together we have established several formalized safety programs. A couple that I want to mention is what's called a safety share. That is a email document to each employee on a timely safety topic. It's designed to get to the employees about the end of their shift. Another is a safety meeting. We do a formal safety meeting each month, and all employees are expected to attend the meeting. Due to the geographic stretch, this is done online, and I do the same meeting live at least twice a month to give all of our employees an opportunity to attend a safety meeting. This is all part of Think Power Solutions' dedication to constantly improving their program.
We are committed to the belief that our employees are our greatest resource. Employees are human, and to be human is to be fallible. So, we at Think Power try to do what we can do to develop processes that reduces errors and oversights. In 2020, we've made a company-wide commitment to invest in our greatest resource, our employees, in the journey of human performance. Human performance combined with safety, training, and technology will become the backbone of employee decisions on the field, during driving, and in the office. This ultimately will help us maintain our zero harm record.